Hi, this is Shahid Kapoor and you're watching Bollywood Hungama.
Now the entire controversy around that, whether it's releasing on June 17th
Yes.
or whether it's not, and
Yes.
today I read that there are question marks on the title Punjab itself.
Yeah, I think we'll know by tonight exactly. We'll have the formal reply, which is usually in the form of a letter, and so I'll be able to talk about it. But yeah, I mean, I hope we allow adults to view content which is relevant, as opposed to just meaningless entertainment. I think our films need to be able to be honest.
Definitely.
So let's see.
All right, but is it disheartening the way it is that in fact these days we tend to just even innocuous words are just muted, and the kisses they tend to be that
With every film it's different.
seconds का kiss होना चाहिए.
Yeah, with every film it's different, and I can't talk in general, but specifically to Udta Punjab, the context of the film, the larger context, the message of the film needs to be understood. In fact, I to feel this film, if the government saw it, they should make it tax free. Because this
That's
is
what
a
someone
problem.
asked. That's what someone asked at the
This is a
promo launch.
problem that is faced by the entire generation.
जी, जी.
And the message of the film, which is Drugs Di Madi, which is against the use of substance abuse, is a message which needs to reach out to as many people as possible. नहीं तो इस पे डॉक्यूमेंट्री बना लेते, या इसके ऊपर पंजाबी फिल्म बना लेते. मेन स्ट्रीम हिंदी फिल्म क्यों बनी है? इसलिए बनी बिकॉज हमें लगा कि यार लेट्स लेट दिस फिल्म रीच टू एज मेनी पीपल एज वी कैन. और ये इशू जो है ये सिर्फ एक स्टेट का नहीं है. वो क्या होता है, कभी एक जगह पे कोई चीज़ ज़्यादा होती है, कभी दूसरी जगह पे ज़्यादा होती है. जो स्टेट्स बॉर्डर के पास होते हैं वो ज़्यादा वल्नरेबल होते हैं. ये हमारे पूरे जनरेशन का प्रॉब्लम है. इट्स नॉट अबाउट वन स्टेट, इट्स नॉट इवन अबाउट जस्ट अ कंट्री. इट्स अ प्रॉब्लम दैट द एंटायर यंगर जनरेशन इज फेसिंग. व्हाई? बिकॉज द अवेयरनेस इज सो हाई ऑफ वेयर टू गेट इट and how to get it, and the curiosity is so large, and the whole cool quotient that's going around this is so high that most of them will end up trying it, and a lot of them will end up getting dependent on it. So it's a pressing issue. It might not be something people talk about, but I feel, I'm 35 today, and when I was 20 this was not a problem for me, but I think for the 20-year-old today, for the 15-year-old today, it's a relevant issue. So
No,
we
absolutely.
must allow the youth of this country to get educated about it. What's wrong? I think the message of the film is extremely positive, and it needs support.
People are also looking at it from this context that elections are going to be held in Punjab in 2017, and somewhere it definitely has a ramification over
Yeah,
that.
I'm not a politician, so I can't really comment on that. I don't want to comment on that because right now we are trying to get it through the censor board and the revising committee. So right now it has to be in context of that. Why, what decision is being taken, I don't want to take the liberty of getting into those areas, but I guess people are thinking so much about it because it's talking about something that's real. Because if it wasn't a real issue, why would any deal be made out of it?
No,
It's a
definitely,
fictional film
Definitely.
about fictional characters. It's not a film that, it's not
But,
like a
but the
Talwar or
drugs is definitely a problem. The drugs is definitely. Many people had उड़ते तौर पे सुना हुआ था, लेकिन ये कि after the way it is coming out, the enormity of the entire situation, people
मुझे
are just
खुद नहीं
realizing
पता
that.
था यार.
जी.
मुझे खुद नहीं पता था इस इशू के बारे में. मैंने जब स्क्रिप्ट सुनी तो मैंने पूछा अभिषेक से, यार ये इशू है, एंड ही सेड हाँ यार ये इशू है. सो जैसे मुझे इस इशू के बारे में पता चला,
जी.
देयर मस्ट बी 100 अदर पॉकेट्स इन दिस कंट्री व्हिच मस्ट बी सफरिंग द सेम इशू, बट पीपल आर नॉट अवेयर.
With this entire belt, actually, the Punjab, Afghanistan, and Pakistan, this entire belt is totally is afflicted with the entire drugs thing, because drugs उगाए जाते हैं, तो which is and the entire तस्करी जो होना and all those things which has been there.